Annyeong! Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'll be sharing with you guys my top 4 sleeping masks to use all year round. So let's get started. Okay, so all of these sleeping masks are under $25 and you can look for them on Sephora.com, on their own website, so don't worry, check on the description box down below. I put the links down there so you can check them out and purchase them if you want to. Product number 1 would be the Laneige. It's formulated with highly concentrated hydroionized mineral water to deliver high doses of moisture to stressed, parched skin. It is infused with orange flower, rose, and sandalwood, as well as apricot and evening primrose extract to brighten and purify fatigue skin. I've been using this product since 2016, since the first time I went to Korea and tried it out. Its consistency is gelled. It melts very, very quickly onto your skin, and I just love that it's very lightweight and it's not sticky at the end. You know, sometimes when you're applying things and then you know that when your skin absorbs it and it has like a little residue and it's kind of a little sticky, this one doesn't do it whatsoever. Next up, this product is from the Glow Recipe, the watermelon sleeping mask. I did a complete video out of it, so if you want to check it out, I explain more in detail about this product, so if you're interested, check that out. Its top 3 ingredients are watermelon, which it helps to hydrate, also has anti-inflammatory properties that will soothe any irritation on your skin. Hyaluronic acid, really replenish moisture back to your skin. The next ingredient is AHAs. It has both lactic and glycolic acid, which are exfoliators. These exfoliate the top layer of your skin, making your skin look beautifully glowy. I love using it when I see my skin it's a little dull, or I just want to have, you know, that extra glow the next day. Third one is one of my basics, and I think I've started using it after the Laneige one, and would be the Innisfree Hydrating Sleeping Mask with green tea. This one is a hydration boosting overnight mask infused with Jeju green tea that quenches skin and provides antioxidant protection while you sleep. You will see your skin hydrated and supple the next day. It doesn't give you that big glow. It calms my skin more when I'm very irritated. It's a little red because of the acne. I really do love using this sleeping mask because it really hydrates it, and the next day I see that my skin is very supple. And last one, but never the least, is the Corks Ultimate Nourishing Rice Overnight Spa Mask. This one has rice extract, which softens the skin and smooths texture, niacinamides that brightens skin and minimizes pores, and panthenol, which moisturizes, soothes, heals, and regenerates the skin. Its consistency is, for me, although it's, you know, all sleeping masks are lightweight, but for me this one was a little bit on the heavier side. I like to use this one specifically when it's fall and winter season. For me, it really works very well. It really does dehydrate my skin when I really need it the most. So all of these were my top 4 favorite sleeping masks. So thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and to follow me on my social medias at Belorraine. See you in my next video. Bye!